Hey, what's up? Let's get some animals clean today, huh? We got 3 deer, a couple of pronghorn or antelope, as some people call them, and then in these buckets, this couple here, I've got 4 bear in there. 2 are from Canada, a couple from Wyoming. But let's get these guys cleaned up and ready for the customer. Okay, first step, just like as always, you want to get them in water. Get them in some pots. Put some Dawn dish soap in there for degreasing. The one thing with bears, they are extremely greasy. So if you can't get the grease out, the initial boil, what I tend to do is I soak them in acetone. And you can soak them in acetone as long as you want. But what acetone does, it pulls the grease out slowly. Usually takes anywhere from a few weeks to a few months of soaking it in acetone to pull all that grease out. But anyway, first things first, we're going to get them cleaned. It is scorching hot out here. It's supposed to be 90, 97 today, so I'm kind of wanting to get these things done sooner than later. But yep, get them in pots, bring them to a boil, and then as soon as they get to a boil, you turn the heat down to a simmer. You don't want to boil these things. You just want a low simmer. So bring them to a boil, turn them way down, and just let them simmer for anywhere from half hour, 45 minutes to an hour, just depending on the animal. But yeah, I'm going to let these things go, and I'm going to get a few other things done around here. I got some turkey fans I got to get done, but yeah, that's it. We'll see you when we start spraying. See ya. One thing I forgot to mention, according to YouTube, about 97% of people watching my videos are not subscribed. So if you would, feel free to subscribe. It's free, costs you nothing, and you get to see all the content. Yeah, I'm trying to get to at least 1,000 right now. I'm about just over 700, which is awesome. So if I can get to 1,000, that'd be great. I think I'm gonna probably do a giveaway of some sort at 1,000 subscribers. So if you like the content, please consider subscribing, like the video, share it, and leave a comment. Appreciate you. Alrighty, so want to apologize in advance. I got them all sprayed off, and I didn't hit record on my phone, so it is what it is. Got all these guys cleaned up. Got the bears over here. The bears are rad. Look at these things. Look at those things. Anyway, got them all cleaned up. It's hot. I'm getting burned up. Anyway, I'm gonna get these things in a whitening batch. Anyway, so before when I got them all sprayed off, I think I had them in the boil for, I don't say half hour, 45 minutes. The bears were a little bit longer, more like 45 to 50 minutes, closer to an hour, just because they're big and they're tougher animals to clean. When you spray them, you want to spray into every hole, every nook and cranny, get everything off of there. If you don't, that stuff's gonna stink. So get it all out, spray it all off, and get them in the whitening batch. I use this stuff called Aquasilk. It's I believe it's 27. Yeah, 27% peroxide. It's a GLB. It's a pool shock oxidizer basically, but it's 27% peroxide. It's super effective. It's very strong, so you have to be careful. I dilute it, so I do 1 gallon of that per 3 gallons of water. That's my mix, and I boil them in it. So I put them back in the pots. I bring it to a boil, shut the heat off completely, and then I leave it for about 5-10 minutes, give or take. and pull them out, and it should be all whitened up. I'm gonna try to whiten these bears, see how they turn out. If they're too greasy, then I'll have to soak them in acetone for a while to get the grease out, but we'll see what happens, and we'll go from there. I'll get these things going and be back with you when I start spraying them off when I'm done whitening. So appreciate y'all. Please, once again, consider subscribing. I work my butt off here, and these videos aren't easy. They're not easy to make. So this is going to be, hours and hours and hours of filming, and hours and hours and hours of editing. So I mean, it's free. Subscribe. I appreciate you helping my business out. I got a little gabagool there. Anyway, love ya. Let's get after it. You caught that, but yeah, when I was wrapping the antlers, if you're not new here, you know what I'm doing, you know why I'm doing it. But if you are new to the channel, I wrap the antlers because this peroxide is super duper strong, and if it gets on the antlers, it'll whiten them. So that's why I wrap them. All right, we're gonna bring these to a boil, shut the heat off, leave them for a bit, pull them out, and see what we got. Yee. Pull it out. I got 3 of them washed, rinsed off, but I'll try to find this guy here. Yeah, dude. Can't really see the lights. There. Nice and white. Heck yeah. Woo-wee, boy, I tell you what. I got these things done just in time because the weather has turned. I'm gonna end this video right now. There's tornado warnings all over the place right now, so it's getting gnarly. So once again, I appreciate you guys. Like, subscribe. Appreciate you. Like I always say, life is short. Do good things. Peace.